How to change PS5 name. So this is going to change your PSN ID when you're playing games on your PlayStation 5 console. So first of all, we're going to start here on the PlayStation 5 home screen. Then you're going to want to press up on the D-pad or your left stick to get to the top part of the PlayStation 5 home screen. Scroll to the left until you get to settings. Click X there. Then you'll want to scroll down to where it says users and accounts. Click X there. Then in the account section, you're going to want to go to the right, scroll down to profile, click X there. Then scroll down to online ID, click X on that. Click accept and continue on these two things here. Then you're going to be prompted to sign into your account, so go ahead and do that. Once you're fully signed into your account, you will then be prompted to actually put in a new ID, but also you'll have to pay. This is not free to do this. So that's how it's done on that part there. Leave a like if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.